Hey Peter. Can I speak to you for a minute?
Why, of course. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. As you may know, minimum wage has increased yet again.
I'm well aware of that. I'm very excited. Now I will be able to afford a ring, and will be able to propose to my girlfriend. I will finally have an income that is high enough to support us. I will even be able to buy a Christmas present for our son. My life is finally turning around.
Yeah. That is not going to happen.
What do you mean? With the new minimum wage, I will be able to afford to have a better life.
You are not getting the new minimum wage.
What?
You are not getting it.
But why?
I'm letting you go. You're fired.
What the?
We are outsourcing your job. It is cheaper than paying you minimum wage.
But I love it here. I need this job.
That is too bad, Peter. You are fired.
I have worked here for 24 years. You can't do this to me.
Well, I am. If the outsourcing thing does not work out, then we will probably just buy a machine to do your job. Either way, there is no chance of you ever getting your job back.
Why are you doing this to me?
Minimum wage is too high. There is no way that I am paying that much for a fool like you to do a job, when I can just buy a machine to do it more effectively.
I'm going to kill you all.
What did you just say?
I mean, I vow to make sure that this company goes bankrupt.
Well, we are already closed. Our competitors in Scotland have the competitive advantage over us because they do not have to pay this stupid minimum wage.
So you guys are already struggling?
Yes, idiot. 4 of our stores have already had to close because of previous minimum wage rates. I am not going to let that happen to this one, so bye-bye.
Well, what will you do if the outsourcing thing does not work out and you can't afford the machines? Then will I be able to have my job back?
No.
Why not?
I would rather hire an illegal immigrant.
But why would you do that? It sounds to me like you just do not like me and are doing what you can to make my life a living hell.
I do not care what your life is like, at all. I would not have to pay illegal immigrants as much as you, and they are probably smarter than you anyways.
So you care more about money than people?
Yes. Money is king. Money overall. Money over.
You are a butthole.
Maybe. But I still make significantly more money than you. Especially now, considering that you are unemployed.
But why wouldn't you just raise the prices of our products instead of firing people?
Besides the fact that I enjoy firing people, we plan to increase prices anyways. Since our local competitors are doing so as well, this is an excellent opportunity for us to cut costs, while at the same time increase revenues.
That is horrible. You guys are only concerned about making money. I'm not sure I even want to work for you guys anymore.
I do not care. We don't want you either. That's why we are firing you. Go tell your girlfriend and kid that you were too stupid to even keep this job. Oh, and tell them I said Merry Christmas.